speakers, to our very supportive principal, Mrs. Ofelia Somalin, our kind teachers of the academy, fellow prep pupils, dear parents, relatives, and visitors, a pleasant afternoon. We are here today because of God, to remember Him and to show to Him our thanksgiving, for He is a Father who accompanied us always in doing our different school activities this year, which led us to learn more than what we know before. He was like an elder brother who shared his blessings, which served to be tools for us in order to reach far, and He is the Holy Spirit, who through His gifts transform us into pupils who are now prepared to enter into a higher level of learning. Allow me then, my dear classmates, to express our gratitude to God and to the gifts of God to us. Thank you to Holy Spirit Academy of Lawag, to our principal, our advisor, our teachers, for their untiring dedication in feeding us of the things we are hungry of. You are mirrors of God's care for us. Thank you also to our Papa